Linda Hadden. I work at ChampionX, which is an energy company in Houston, Texas. We use the OnePlan solution to manage our innovation portfolio of products and several other portfolios of projects. Yeah, so using OnePlan, we're really able to have that one source of truth. So it's one tool that has multiple portfolios of projects in one database. And we're really able to use the information that was input into the tool in order to visualize it, to export it, and really use those insights in order to make key business decisions. I think one of the big benefits about OnePlan is that we're able to have not only project data, but financials captured into one place. And we're able to actually take that information out of the tool, consolidate it or integrate it with other tools and existing solutions in the company in order to kind of have that one source of truth information that drives business decisions. So several things come to mind. So it's a scalable solution. It's global. We have global users and stakeholders needing to be able to work in the same source of truth. It also allows us to have multiple, not only portfolios of projects, but different methodologies, right? So we have different categories of projects, different resources we're pulling from. So able to manage all of that and a cradle to grave solution. So we can take something from an individual idea, build that out into a concept, ask, is it real? Can we win? Is it worth it? And then promote it into a project and see it through the life cycle of the full project. So OnePlan, to me, to our experience in ChampionX, has really been critical in not only providing a good product, right, and trying to meet and get ahead of what the market is driving towards, but also keeping that customer focus, keeping that customer engagement and not compromising it. So I think they're unique in the sense that they really listen to the customers, they take their inputs and feedback, and they adopt it into their roadmap. And that's been reflected in our experience with OnePlan. Having one source of truth. So really having that insight, that transparency into our different portfolios of project. Where are we at with new product development against the business plan? We're able to track what our plan is against what our actuals are and see where we are at in order to help close those gaps or make different decisions to move faster, resource, etc. So OnePlan has empowered us on a daily basis to have that digital solution, right, in order to drive our new product development. So having that innovation pipeline and those insights. So one of the biggest improvements since using OnePlan has been the project discipline, right? So the project managers historically maybe have used different tools or different ways of collecting the data, and now sort of driving that adoption and utilization into one place and having that insight in order to like reflect where are we at, what are we doing, and how are we managing projects has really enabled us to take that governance and the project management discipline to the next level. The same account manager really from implementation to current date, having that dedicated sort of support. They have a more in-depth knowledge of our business needs, our business process, and so it's really been a great collaboration between ChampionX and OnePlan. So we present, hey, we have a problem, we need to evolve the tool or maybe simplify, right, as we learn more in our day-to-day business and project management structure. And they've just been really great to work with in general. They're very positive, they're supportive. If we make a request, they get back to us in a really timely manner. We're never left unsupported or kind of floundering on our own. So it's been a really good journey. One of the biggest things that stands out to me about OnePlan is the customer focus and the customer engagement. So they involve the customers, they listen to their feedback, they incorporate into their product roadmap, and they in turn also provide us a level of consulting, if you will, to help us understand. So oftentimes we'll come to OnePlan and say, hey, I have a problem, right? Or here's my business process. And I don't always know what I don't know, meaning I don't know the right field or the way to ask it. And so just having that dedicated team and support to really talk to us about, well, what's the best way in order to capture this data, right? How are you going to use it? How is it going to, how does it need to be output on the end? And they present our options and they allow us to kind of make the best decision for our business.